So one of the things that we do at Citizen Dental Hygiene, and one of the things that I think is really, really important for our patients, is we offer free laser whitening in office. So when you come in for your cleaning, you get a free in-office whitening with your appointment. Patients just leave feeling a lot cleaner and happier. We can't give up coffee, let's be honest. It's just too hard. And that is the only way that we're going to be able to kind of reduce the amount of staining that our teeth are exposed to, is coffee and wine and all the things that we love that make us happy. So the reality is we're not going to stop that. Let's figure out a way that we can kind of counteract it and keep our body looking healthy and happy. Teeth whitening. So we also offer some products to take home. These products are actually the exact same thing as the stuff we use in office. It's just a lighter percentage of the active ingredients, so it's not as powerful. And that's why you have to use them more and, like a couple times to get the same results versus one time and you see it all happen. This is a really great on-the-go option, or a really good option for people that are looking for spot treatment. Like they have one or two teeth that just don't seem to lift as easily as the others. Usually canines or premolars are problematic. So you can get one of these pens, and it's just an easy take-home option that you can use to treat one or two areas that are not lifting. The other option is a take-home kit, and you can actually use this to lift all the teeth. So if you're finding that, oh, my top teeth whiten really, really well, but my lowers didn't really get as bright, this is a really great opportunity for you just to actually whiten those lower teeth. So you can use the tray, just put the gel in the lower section, and just whiten that whole entire lower arch of teeth. So these are really great products that you can take home, that you can use safely to help whiten your teeth and to keep them white for longer.